Tom, I just want to show you how our packaged tutorial CD with videos are actually working. So this is basically a setup which is actually which has an application which is actually which is also packed with a lot of tutorials which can be installed in your system offline, and then you can play the videos as well as its associated contents from the comfort of your desktop, even if you don't have any internet connectivity. So when I double click on that, it might take a bit time to extract all the contents. Then it will launch this setup dialog. Then if you click on the next button, like this, it will automatically install on your machine like this. So might take probably 30 seconds in a somewhat a standard PC with really good speed. This is actually installed in your SSD drive, so it might be very faster. Um, this application, I developed it for myself to play for different contents, but for different type of students, for different type of training requirements. We also have a training wing where we are actually creating different type of programming tutorial CDs. One is actually Visual C++, one is C Sharp, Java, other Qt C++, and other tutorial CDs are actually also there. So this is how it installs. So once so this will get finished. So once it will get installed, then you can launch it. There will be a desktop application. There will be a desktop shortcut. So when it launch it, this you can see the tutorial CDs with all the contents here. So you can have all the tutorials like this: tutorial one, tutorial two, so all sort of things. You will have a video as well as the source code. So this you can if you want to play the video, you might need to purchase it. So if you click it, you can see a registration name. You need to send that registration name to us, and we will create a registration key for like this. For example, let's say we have a registration key generator here. Just a minute. Let me take the registration key generator. And if you generate, you can generate a registration key like this. So this is per PC. Okay, a registration key is actually generated based upon the hard disk number. So this is the registration key for this device, and so 42817. So we can put it here 243 Okay. Now if we take these videos, let's say this is one template example. See this, it will automatically launch like this. See this, actually having the video player plus all the controls like play, stop, previous, forward, and you can see all the volume controls and sort of things. So if any customer is having similar requirements, we will be able to customize this thing. Some customers may not don't want this registration key or registration related stuff. So in that case, we can bypass it. We can customize this call application. I mean, this call application to suit your needs. And one more important aspect is this is actually highly customizable. You can launch any tutorial CDs. There will be you can change this images to suit your needs, or you can change other links as well if you need it. If any customer is having a different type of requirement, we can again customize this software to suit your requirements. This was actually developed for our purpose, so that so we actually incorporated all our requirements. Okay, so this tutorial CD left this tutorial CD contents is also can be loaded from an XML file, so you can customize it, really customize it that as well. Maybe let's go to this install folder to see how this is actually got installed, so you will get a better idea. Program files, ATS InfoTech, sorry, then tutorial CDs, C++ CD steps. So you can see that you can see the table of contents XML where you can will be able to edit it to suit your requirements. See these are all the table of contents. So similar wise, you can add your own table of contents and the associated pages, HTML pages, the associated images, or the associated movies here. Okay, so this we may not be able to directly play the movie. If you directly play the movie, this may not work, I believe. Okay, so if you take it, uh, so may not be working. See this? Okay, so we had actually done something here so that it may not directly play. It will play only from the program. Okay, so we had done some encoding logic as well. So if you want to really monetize your video contents, that is also possible. So this quite a bit of effort is actually going on behind the scenes here. This is not a simple program. We have actually developed it over a period of 4 to 6 months time. So I hope that this will be useful for your requirements of if you're having any new a type of requirements or new type of features that need to be incorporated. We are also open to incorporating that feature as well to this application. We can sell it either just as a binary file as it is with your contents. We can package. What we can do is we can ship you the setup script along with this application. Customize probably might be a customized binary version of the application, or we can ship with the source code as well. Okay, so whichever is what in your requirements, we are open for that, and we'll be able to customize it based on your requirements. So this is what we have now. If you are having any questions, please do let me know. I'm happy to work with you with regards to your requirements as well. Okay, thank you.